How to become a divorce lawyer. Utilizing 10 steps below to succeed. How to become a divorce lawyer. Attorneys that specialize in family law are divorce lawyers. These experts collaborate with clients to ensure that divorce and legal separation cases result in decisions that benefit all parties involved. You can think about a profession in family law if you want to become an attorney. We examine what divorce lawyer is, what they do, and how to become a divorce lawyer. Let's explore our article. What divorce lawyer is. An individual who practices family law and ensures the preservation of clients' rights throughout legal separations, divorces, and custody disputes is known as a divorce lawyer, also known as a divorce attorney. Family law businesses frequently employ divorce attorneys who are experts in asset distribution, court filings, and custody-related matters. They frequently collaborate with paralegals or legal assistants who defend clients' rights during the divorce process. How to become a divorce lawyer. A general professional path for aspiring divorce attorneys can be seen in the steps for how to become a divorce lawyer that follow. 1. Complete a bachelor's degree. Before submitting an application to law school, prospective attorneys typically finish a 4-year degree. Although law schools don't have a set major, you might want to take some courses in criminal justice, pre-law, or a comparable subject. Prospective lawyers also concentrate on courses in interdisciplinary areas including politics, sociology, psychology, and philosophy. These topics can assist you in acquiring the abilities and information required to succeed in law school as well as pass an entrance exam. 2. Pass the admission exam for law school. Before being accepted into law school, prospective students must take and pass the law school admissions test, LSAT. The exam encompasses reading comprehension, logical reasoning, and analytical reasoning, and it calls for students to make wise decisions based on the data in each test item. A minimum LSAT score is typically required for admission to law schools. Many students study by enrolling in a preparatory class to make sure they pass the exam with passing grades 3. Obtain a law degree. The LSAT is required to enroll in law school. The fundamentals of law are frequently covered in the first few semesters of a law degree program before shifting to topics specific to the area of law you want to study. For divorce attorneys, this can entail enrolling in classes to advance your understanding of family law, divorce settlement, interpersonal conflict, child custody regulations, and property management. As you finish your law degree, it can be advantageous to do an internship or land a position as a legal assistant at the entry level in order to gain work experience and knowledge of the sector. 4. Obtain a legal practice license. Most states have requirements that prospective divorce lawyers must meet in order to be granted a license to practice family law. Typically, these criteria include obtaining a legal degree, passing the bar exam, and meeting additional state requirements. You can pursue a legal career that is best for you if you are aware of the requirements your state requires for a license. You can practice family law in your state once you have your license. 5. Finish your ongoing education in order to keep their licenses to practice law and to be active members of their local bar associations. Most states also require family law and divorce practitioners to complete continuing education. Lawyers who pursue continuing education can also stay current on changes in family law and legislation. While jurisdictions may have different requirements for continuing education, most divorce attorneys have their licenses renewed every 2 to 3 years. 6. Finding a job. How to become a divorce lawyer after graduating. Participate in in-depth interviews. You will have the chance to speak with someone who works in the divorce legal industry during informational interviews, and they should be able to provide you with information and guidance. 7. Apply to open positions. Some of the most dependable sites for a novice attorney to discover legal jobs are online. The top job sites sometimes belong to bar organizations. Join the county, city, and state bar associations in your area as a result. Likewise, join the American Bar Association. On the websites of each of these organizations, there are frequent job opportunities. When you see a position that appeals to you, follow the application instructions provided in the job posting. Typically, you'll need to submit your resume, cover letter, and desired salary. IBM's DM software is the perfect solution. You can read below to know why we talk about it. The features of IBM's 8. Work out a rental agreement for a workspace. Ask divorce lawyers in your area whether they would be interested in renting you space for your office. Be prepared to accept the lawyer's extra cases as part of these negotiations, be able to represent them in court, and give them a referral fee for cases you win. These kinds of agreements are typical and frequently advantageous to both parties, while the other attorney gets to save time by passing on unwanted matters. You receive a place to work and some early cases. 9. Join organizations that deal with family law. How to become a divorce lawyer. Find regional family law or divorce law associations and join them. Similar to joining bar organizations. Frequently, the family law and/or divorce law section of your local bar chapter. After joining, visit their events frequently and network with the other lawyers that are present. 10. Look into specialized areas of family law. Specializing is one other approach to entering the divorce legal industry. People hire you for your services when you specialize in a specific area of divorce law and become an authority in it. For instance, some divorce attorneys would solely advocate on behalf of the divorcing couple's gender. Considering the recent changes to marriage law, you can also think about specializing in homosexual marriage divorces. What does a lawyer for divorce do? Divorce attorneys handle a variety of activities to assist clients going through a legal separation or divorce. They frequently compile legal documentation, organize paperwork, and prepare legal contracts in an effort to mediate agreements that are beneficial to all parties. Divorce attorneys frequently handle the following: helping clients divide their assets and debts, including material and financial assets, mediation of child custody proceedings, and client counseling to assist in establishing arrangements for child support, assembling proof regarding clients, such as separation-related facts and other legal information, deciding in accordance with state marital and family laws and current divorce legislation to achieve successful divorce proceedings. Clients should receive family law and marital law education, offering alternative dispute remedies as a means of concluding divorce and judicial separation processes. A self-service payment portal improves customer service. Mobile access to the critical customer, but also vendor information and